My name is Fujairah Patel and I'm the Manager of Conservation and Education at Atlantis Dubai. Today we're here in Dibba with the Fujairah Research Centre supporting one of their projects for coral restoration and reef restoration. Through our Atlantis Atlas Project, we have been able to support them with this project, and we're really excited today to bring some of our divers here to see their work in action.
I am Dr. Fouad Lamari. I'm the director of the Fujairah Research Centre, and here we are in our aquaculture research facility. We have different criteria to know that the ecosystem is okay. One of them is the coral. The most important is coral, but it's not the only one. You have coral, you have seagrass, you have a lot of other components of the habitat.
The team are creating artificial reef structures using discarded oyster shells, as well as maintaining a coral nursery to grow various species which can later be translocated.
The overall aim is to enhance the marine ecosystem, attract biodiversity, and in the future we can use it as a diving spot to lower the stress on the natural habitat that already has been damaged and degraded.
How we are doing the coral, it's a long, a huge process. You need people, you need a lot of staff, you need specialists, you need diver. Thank you very much, Atlas Project. Thank you, Atlantis. Your support is absolutely capital for us and for our volunteers, for our research center to keep this work ongoing.